There are very few people growing at the speed of YouTube, and the best part is that you can edit and upload their videos directly from your mobile. And don't even ask about the views, just look at the views on channels in these categories. These are channel ideas that are easy to grow or get views on with their videos. Compared to other similar channels, it will be easier for you, but only if you watch this video till the end and understand things well. In this video, I'll tell you how and where to find content for these channels, what types of videos you can upload, and how to add unique content without wasting time. Let's begin with our first channel idea. But before that, let me tell you this: don't miss any of these ideas. Who knows which channel idea will suit you best and align with your interests? So I suggest you note down all the channel ideas and their main points in one place. This way, if you want to decide on a channel later, you can easily do it. Or you can also watch this video again, my views will increase too, haha. So our first channel idea is covering the news and drama of YouTube creators. Don't take this channel idea lightly because it's one of the best faceless channel ideas right now. The chances of getting views and growing the channel quickly are very high, as something or other involving a popular person happens almost every day. This keeps happening in the community, so why not take advantage of it and rake in the views? You can make update videos or news type videos related to these events. Just look at the Newsboy channel, it grew during all the drama. Back then, World War III was trending and it changed the life of that channel. Even after that, there were many controversies, but the key is that you need to upload your videos properly and in the right way. You must know how to optimize the title, tags, and description, otherwise, all your hard work will go to waste. Even if you make videos on trending topics, you'll get very few impressions and views without proper optimization. So after watching this video, make sure to check out these 2 videos of mine for more tips. This is for your benefit. And yes, many people might be thinking, Newsboy and Neon Man are already dominating this category. So what are my chances of growing? If Newsboy had thought the same, that Neon Man was already dominating, then who would have watched his videos? He wouldn't be where he is today. Now, the number of views Newsboy's videos get is almost equal to Neon Man's. If you cover authentic and genuine news without unnecessary clickbait, people will start trusting your videos just as much as they trust Newsboy and Neon Man, because ultimately, people are only interested in the news. It's not like either of them is creating content for pure entertainment or having a huge impact on the audience. You just need to keep a few key points in mind. Make sure your voice is recorded clearly, and you should be able to narrate and present the news effectively. For this type of channel, you can download non-copyrighted gameplay footage to use in the background, which you can easily edit. If you know even a little bit of editing, you can do it using apps like CapCut or KineMaster. You don't need any special skills for this kind of channel, anyone can give it a try. Now, moving on to the second channel idea, its CPM and RPM are a bit higher, and the earning potential is good documentary type videos. Trust me, this is very popular in India. YouTube is full of faceless channels in this category. I suggested a video a week ago that had around 50 views and 1,000 subscribers at the time. And now, guess what? This video has over 850 views and around 15K subscribers, all within just a few days. When you watch the video, you'll see that there's no fancy editing involved, just simple edits with basic transitions and filters, and that's it. You'll find plenty of related footage and clips online that you can use for visual representation in your videos. For example, if I were to make a documentary on the 9/11's terrorist attack in the USA and wanted to tell its full story, I could use ChatGPT to generate a script for me. After translation, you can adjust the sentences to fit your recording style. You can find footage or clips of such incidents online, but make sure not to use long clips to avoid copyright issues. You'll need to do some research, but you'll notice that these types of channels can start trending within a few days or months. Just a reminder, if you use their long videos, it could put your channel at risk, so be careful about it. The third channel idea is business-related content, such as documentaries and case studies of successful people. This is one of the highest earning niches because the topics revolve around business, money, and lifestyle, which have significantly higher CPM and RPM compared to other categories. Channels like Magnet Media and Shivanshu Agarwal are already thriving in this field, with millions of views due to their high-quality content. You can create these types of videos without showing your face. If you watch their videos, you'll notice that they use fully visual representations. However, this type of editing doesn't require high-end software like Premiere Pro or After Effects. You can achieve it using mobile apps like CapCut. CapCut plus PixArt equals success. Yes, this modern editing style can be a bit complicated, but don't worry. If you want to learn this kind of editing or need a full video editing guide, you can search on YouTube for how to edit videos like Magnet Media and CapCut. There are thousands of tutorials on YouTube that can help you improve and develop a good editing style. Now, let's talk about what you need to do to make videos for this channel. Simply cover the stories of successful people and present them in your own unique and interesting style. You can tell these stories in a way that keeps viewers engaged. If you're already interested in business, this niche is perfect for you. Even if you don't know many stories, you can research them. Now let's move into the fourth channel. Many people enjoy rags to riches stories, which show how a poor boy can become a millionaire. These inspiring tales captivate audiences and can be presented in your own unique style. To research and write about these stories, you can use tools like GPT or websites such as googletholly.com. These resources help you gather interesting details and insights that will enhance your content. Even though this trend is a bit older, there are still plenty of viewers who love watching these types of videos. The key is to ensure your content is modern and fresh, making it more engaging than what was popular in 2017. By focusing on new ideas and updated stories, you can attract a loyal audience. Always aim to inspire and entertain your viewers with your storytelling. This way, you'll stand out in a crowded space. With dedication and creativity, you can turn these classic stories into something that resonates today. Remember to keep your audience's interests in mind as you craft your narratives. In doing so, you'll create content that not only informs but also motivates and connects with people. You can even edit these videos on your smartphone. The fifth idea for a YouTube channel is a facts channel. This is different from the usual top 10 videos because you can share any kind of interesting facts you want. You can talk about history, science, trivia, or anything that you find cool. If you think facts videos aren't popular anymore, check out channels like Zim TV. They don't even show their faces, but they still get millions of views. Another example is Facts Mind Kark, which mostly posts short videos but still gets millions of views. This shows that people still love watching fact-based videos. So what makes these channels work? The most important thing is your voice. It should be clear and fun to listen to. Then, you need to tell the facts in a way that keeps people interested. Good editing also helps make your videos look sharp and easy to watch. Most importantly, the facts you share must be true. If you make things up, people won't trust your channel, and that will hurt your growth. If you want to start a facts channel, there's still a big audience for this kind of content. Just make sure to share real, interesting facts and present them in a way that keeps viewers coming back for more. Finally, the sixth and last channel idea is gaming. While it's true that there's a lot of competition in the gaming niche, this idea is meant for those who genuinely enjoy playing games. If you're only interested in making money, this may not be the right path for you. However, if you have a real passion for gaming and want to grow your channel, you can find success. Focus on sharing your unique gaming experiences, whether through gameplay videos, tutorials, or reviews. Engaging with your audience is key. Share your thoughts and reactions while playing. Building a community around your channel will help you connect with other gamers. Stay updated on trends and popular games to keep your content fresh. Remember, your enthusiasm will shine through and attract viewers who share your interests. If you're committed and passionate, your gaming channel can thrive and bring you both enjoyment and growth. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and turn on notifications. We have more videos about YouTube automation that can help you get started or grow your channel. Check out our other videos and let's succeed together.